Hi, my name is Dorena, and I am better known as the Space Doula. I'm a certified practitioner of feng shui, space clearing, clutter clearing, and soul coaching. Every month inside the Lynn Academy, we pull an oracle card. It's the theme for the month. And I take that theme and I put it through the lens of your home. I'm always looking at how can we use our home to support the life we want to live. And this month, the theme, the card for the month is delight. And quite honestly, I was like, oh, that's kind of hard because 2025 for me has not felt delightful. It has been hard. And I know I'm not alone in this. If you haven't personally been impacted by all that's been happening in 2025, then probably friends and family, those in your orbit, have been. So this is what is so key. This is a line from the delight card. When just one person experiences true delight, this joyous energy radiates outward like ripples in a pool, reaching even the farthest shores of humanity. Your pleasure can rejuvenate you and can have a powerful healing effect on others. That is why it's so important to have these microdoses of joy in our homes for ourselves, right? If we are not feeling great, but also that we can start feeling better and taking that joy, that delight out into the world and help heal others who so desperately need it. So, how do we microdose our homes with joy? There are so many fun ways. I'm not asking you to declutter this month. I am not saying you need to go in your closet, you need to go in your attic. I'm not asking you to organize. I'm not asking you to know the Bagua map. None of that. What I am asking you is how can you bring these little pops of joy throughout your home so that they light you up, that when you see them, that you are reminded of that childlike wonder within you. So I'm going to give you some ideas, and then hopefully this will inspire you to go in your homes and add these microdoses of joy. So here's some ideas. Number one, fairy lights. Like, who can't be happy when you see fairy lights in your space? So maybe they're like across your fireplace mantle, or maybe they're in your closet or wrapped around a plant. They're a great way to bring joy. Another way is to diffuse essential oils. We want to bring all our senses into this, right? So maybe wild orange, like something that is going to, again, feel so good in like when you smell it. Or maybe it's a candle. Maybe it's pops of color, your favorite color in your space with a throw or a pillow, bringing those little bright spots in your home. How about music? Actually make space for a dance party first, right? That's going to feel so joyful. But also playing your favorite songs can really uplift the energy of your home and in turn uplift your energy too. Photographs from your favorite vacations, right? Or your travels, your favorite people, and not necessarily those pose pictures because sometimes we're like, smile, but then the energy behind it wasn't really joyful. So display those candid photographs, the silly ones with like you and your sister or your best friend. Display those in your house. Flowers is also one of my most favorite ways to have little pops of joy in my house. And not necessarily like the big vase on the kitchen counter, but it's those little bud vases kind of tucked away in various spots in your home. So maybe on your nightstand, your bathroom counter, and a bookcase, like unexpected places to have these fresh flowers. On that same theme, I love to grow herbs in my space. They make me so happy to like be able to pinch something off and throw it in a pot of spaghetti sauce that I'm making. But just growing something, right? Having that energy can feel very delightful. And then one other idea is to have like sun catchers or prisms in your window that catch the sunshine and then they cast the rainbows on your walls. Again, we're looking for any ways in your space that when you are meandering around, when you're sitting on the couch, when you're cooking in the kitchen, that it catches your eye and it's just that little joy in your heart. That is what we're going for this month. I would love to hear what else you come up with. And I will see you back here next month. Bye for now. Mwah.